Let us start by saying that snake plants are tough plants. There are, however, a few reasons that your snake plant can develop broken leaves, which are mostly relatively easy to remedy. In this video, we will take a quick look at a few common problems that cause snake plant leaves to break or split, and how to fix these. This guide is intended for the novice who has never grown a snake plant before or anyone who has had a snake plant for years and experienced a leaf breakage. Causes of a broken snake plant leaf. Biological factors. In my experience, one of the more common causes of damage to snake plant leaves is these so-called biological factors. Pets, kids, and drunk people all lack a certain amount of common sense around plants, which tends to damage the plants. Cats will climb into snake plant pots looking for a place to pee, kids grab the leaves and break them, and drunk people can fall, stumble, or even sit on the plants. Drought and heat. Snake plants can be very susceptible to drought and heat. This is especially true if the leaves are older than 2 years old. When they get older, they lose water more easily, and they can also become long and more brittle. As the leaf ages, it also gets larger and thicker. This makes it easier for a leaf to break if it is bumped. Snake plants need lots of water during the summer months. This is when they grow and produce new leaves. It is important to keep them watered so that their roots do not become dry for long. Boron deficiency. I live in an area where the soils have quite low levels of boron. This can cause leaves to split in snake plants. In my area, certain tree species accumulate boron in their wood. I burn this wood and use the ash as a fertilizer in the garden. If you are unsure of how to do this, you can also buy a simple balanced organic trace element supplement such as this for your plants. Pests. I read on the internet that snails and slugs love snake plants. I have never seen a snail touch any of my snake plants. Ever. But maybe there are some horrible snails and slugs in other parts of the world that will cause this damage. The snail and slug killer listed below should help. How to fix a broken snake plant leaf. First, you need to take care of the injured area. For the injured area, remove all the dead parts. You can use a sharp knife to cut off the damaged part. After you remove the dead parts, water the injured plant and ensure that the soil remains moist and soft. Growing a healthy snake plant. Keep your snake plant well watered. Avoid direct intense sunlight for too long. Keep your plant's soil moist, but not wet. Keep it in a warm environment. Now and then, put the plant out in the rain. The rainwater helps to rinse the soil, and rain also just works magic on all plants. Conclusion. A broken snake plant leaf is a common occurrence when growing your snake plant, and it should not worry you sick. Providing the right growing conditions for this plant is ideal to keep it growing in the right manner and protect it from snake plant leaf damage. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.